Hi, Shorty. Hi. This is our first meal. It's pretty good. He's just not going to eat much, though. Yeah. Hey, sweetie. They like to be with you, so it's hard to get a picture. It's just hard to get one. Because we always come over. Yeah? We just always come over. You're just a stocky little thing. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Is it good? You're a cutie. I'm gonna get your shoe. Hi, baby. Yummy. That's so yummy. That's so yummy. Hey. Hey. Everybody's always getting my shoes. Yeah. Little puppies. Come on over here and get some more to eat. Come on now. Get a picture of you. There.